The diagram represents a right rectangular prism with a length where the length is equal to 3 times the width. So first things first, length is equal to 3 times the width. The surface area is 168 square centimeters. So the surface area of this prism of some sort is 168 cm squared. If the height of the prism is equal to the length, okay, so now we also got where length is equals to height, then determine the numerical value of the distance A to B. So we need A, B. Okay, so first things first, we are given surface area, so that means we need to concoct or put together some sort of surface area formula for this prism that we have here, broken up into the shapes that we essentially have. So firstly, the surface area we said was 168. So firstly, let's put it together, surface area formula, and that would be, and as you can see, we have 2 length times breadth, so 2 length times breadth, 2 length times height. So it's basically 6 different shapes and 2 of them, so 2 sets of 3 different shapes. Let's put it that way. So 6 shapes in total. So 2 length times breadth plus 2 LH plus 2 height times width. Okay, so if we wanted to, we can actually put this 2 here. So this would be length, this would be the height, and that would be the breadth. So that's what we or breadth, no, sorry, not breadth, width. So length, breadth. Okay, we don't have height here, so okay, breadth, height, let's leave this as height and breadth. Yeah, that works better. That's perfect. And now let's go ahead and start subbing in our values. So here surface area is 168. So the length we said was 3 times the width, so this is 3w. Okay, the breadth is just the width, which is w here, plus 2 times 3 width. And remember, the length is also equals to the height, so that's also 3 times the width, plus 2 times 3 width and times the width. So now we basically solving for w, right? So that's basically what we want. And once we get that width, we'll get a value for the width. And if we get the width, then we can get everything else, because there's some sort of equation which leads us back to the length and the height. And then we're going to put this back into our triangle, which has AB. So that's what we would basically be doing here, because it's going to be some sort of Pythagoras question, Pythagoras equation to get AB, right? Since AB is the hypotenuse. So firstly, let's put together all our W's. 168. We can use our calculator here. So what we would essentially get here is 6w squared plus 18w squared plus 6w squared. So here, breadth, I think we're missing out a value here. I think this would be 3w as well. So that's 18 and then 6. Yeah, 18 plus 6w squared, and that gives us 42w squared, which is equals to 116, and therefore w is equals to root 168 over 42, which is equals to 2. And thereafter, once we have the width, we know that the length will be 3 times that, so therefore the length is equals to 6. And if we put together our triangle here, let's just draw a triangle here to show this. So height, length, and then this would be AB. And we want, so AB squared is equals to the height squared plus L squared. And since they are equal, and since, well, length is 6, so this will just be h squared plus L squared, which is 6 squared plus 6 squared under the square root. Since it is Pythagoras, we need to square root it, and that is equals to root 72. and therefore our answer is option D.